The Galaxy S23 series has been unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event 2023, and boy, it is amazing.
This is epic.
The incredible camera on these phones gives you more leeway to experiment with your own unique creativity, enabling you to make Nightography videos with actual cinematic qualities. No kidding there. Its night vision is so good that Samsung had a famous film director use it to shoot an action-packed movie, and the results were just outstanding. And guess what?
In fact, the presentations at today's Unpacked were filmed using the Galaxy S23 Ultra.
Today's video recaps the event if you missed it, so let's get started. S23 lineup. Let's meet the new phones. The Galaxy S23 is the base model and comes with either 128 GB or 256 GB of storage space. The AMOLED Full HD Plus display of the S23 operates at an adaptive 120 Hz. The device's rear has a trio of cameras: a 50-megapixel primary shooter, an ultra-wide-angle lens of 12 megapixels, and a telephoto lens of 10 megapixels. Battery capacity for the S23 is 3,900 mAh. The S23 Plus has a 6.6-inch AMOLED FHD Plus screen, an adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz, and 256 GB of storage space. Camera-wise, the S23 is just like any other S23. Both have 8 GB of storage and a similar configuration. Battery life on the S23 Plus is impressive at 4,700 mAh.
Wow, that's great.
Finally, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, that breaking new ground for smartphone photography. The primary wide-angle camera has a 200-megapixel sensor. The camera features are fantastic, and I'll elaborate on that further. Camera capabilities. Samsung has increased the Galaxy S23 camera features. During this year's Galaxy event, videos shot with the S23 Ultra showcased great enhancements. The Galaxy Unpacked included an exhilarating short film shot solely on the Galaxy S23 Ultra by Academy Award-winning filmmaker Ridley Scott. The film was a showcase for the phone's high-quality camera, demonstrating how easily anybody can make a feature-length movie out of footage shot in their daily life. And sure, Ridley Scott did like the end result.
Once I became more familiar with the S23, I was impressed with its capabilities, the quality of image, and the dynamic range of the sensor.
The new 200 megapixels wide camera found in the Galaxy S23 Ultra shoots high-resolution images with a degree of wide-ranging color and detail never before seen on a smartphone.
Absolutely amazing.
In addition, the Expert RAW's many advanced capabilities make it simple for amateurs to create polished, professional-quality movies. From the very beginning to the very end, the user is in charge of everything, including ISO, aperture, and white balance with Expert RAW. Meanwhile, astrophotography records the night sky in exquisite detail. You can even take astro hyperlapses. To elaborate further, think of it as a cross between a time-lapse and a quick film that can show you the misty, snaking motion of the stars across the sky. If you want to see how this performs in our comprehensive review of the S23 Ultra, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notification in order not to miss out. Nightography. Do you recall that Ice Universe praised the S23 Ultra's night photography? Really, he wasn't joking. When filming in poor light, shaky footage is unavoidable, and we struggle to remove background noise. However, Samsung has developed a fix for this problem. The solution is multi-frame processing, which combines pictures from numerous frames to lessen the impact of noise and make it possible for anybody to shoot high-quality video, even in low light. There was also an improvement to optical image stabilization, OIS, making it better able to adapt to varying lighting situations. Moreover, the camera's improved AI object-aware engine and stereo depth map enables it to record crisp portraits in incredible detail, both of which will bring your images to vivid life. As a result of its awesomeness, Samsung says, your friends and family will be asking you, "Can you send me that?" whenever you pull out your phone to show them a new picture or video.
Mia, can you send me that?
Na Hongjin's action-packed short film Faith showcases the Galaxy S23 Ultra's cinematic camera capabilities, particularly its excellent nightography. The director approved of the phone's camera since awesomely it captured sharp images in low light. And why not? Look how cool it is. Wouldn't you be satisfied? Frankly, this is one of the best phones on the market if you are a content creator. Well, the Galaxy Book 3 was also announced with the S23 series, so we'll fill you in on that as well. More customizability. Samsung's One UI 5.1 is being released with the company's new Galaxy S23 devices, customizing the lock screen in a way that's similar to its rival. Apple iPhone is something we're looking forward to.
With One UI, you can truly make your smartphone your own by selecting up to 15 photos and videos of your favorite memories for your lock screen.
Samsung's always-on display will also support the usage of a movie as the backdrop, which might have significant implications for the device's battery life. Several new Bixby capabilities are also part of the upgrade. Included in them is a function called Bixby Text Call, which may be used to transcribe conversations with the digital assistant. Performance. Qualcomm CEO and President Cristiano Amon said at the Samsung Unpacked that the Galaxy S23 series is powered by the company's latest and greatest processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy has cutting-edge artificial intelligence and industry-leading system processing speeds, making possible really remarkable user experiences. Cristiano also said, this includes AI-powered cognitive ISP, which enhances photos and videos in real time for professional quality camera experiences, even in dark settings. The newest Adreno GPU from Qualcomm allows for ultra-realistic graphics, and the company also supplies the finest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the business, in addition to the world's fastest and most reliable 5G modem RF system. The goal of Qualcomm's XR efforts was to usher in a new age in which users will no longer be able to tell where one reality ends and another begins. Not only that, but the Galaxy S23 series has received a comprehensive overhaul, and the GPU is now 41% quicker than before. This is what it can also do.
Our new GPU also enables a ray tracing module that makes your gaming experience more immersive and lifelike.
Samsung has also partnered with Google, but we can't cover all the details in today's video, so keep an eye out for our upcoming videos. Galaxy Book 3. Following the announcement of the Galaxy S23 series at the Samsung event 2023, Samsung announced the Galaxy Book 3 series, and in particular, the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. Samsung's dynamic AMOLED 2X display is making its debut on the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. Not only is this revolutionary laptop great for regular users, but it's also great for gamers and content producers thanks to its cutting-edge CPU and GPU hardware from Intel and NVIDIA. The sharp 3K screen of the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra really brings out the vibrancy of the colors and textures. The other two models in addition to the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra are the Galaxy Book 3 Pro, Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360, and we shall reveal its prices shortly. Price. In its base configuration, the Galaxy S23 costs $799. This phone can have as much as 128 gigabytes of storage space and 8 gigabytes of RAM. For an additional $100, the Galaxy S23 Plus offers 256 gigabytes of storage space in its standard configuration. The S23 Ultra begins at $1,199 and has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Adding extra storage to the S23 series will, of course, cost you more money. The 256 gigabytes model of the Galaxy S23 costs $859. With the Galaxy S23 Plus, you may pay an additional $200 to increase the storage capacity to 512 gigabytes, which is still double what you got with the S22 Plus. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's price increases by $200 to $1,379 and $1,619 for the 512 gigabytes and 1 terabyte versions, respectively. Both of these storage configurations have 12 gigabytes of RAM. As of Thursday, February 14, you may pre-order Samsung's Galaxy Book 3 Ultra from their website for a starting price of $2,199. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 costs $1,699 and the Galaxy Book Pro version $1,449. Taking everything into consideration, it is commendable that Samsung considered the increase in e-waste. Samsung has increased its usage of eco-friendly materials in its gadgets, such as 100% recycled paper packaging boxes and different exterior and internal elements made of recycled glass, plastic, and aluminum to enhance its sustainability efforts. This is quite admirable. We understand that not all of the S23's features were covered in today's video. There is much more to Galaxy S23 than you should know, so make sure to watch our next video which goes into more depth. See you there and thanks for joining us today.